Anong na-realize mo sa buhay na gusto mong i-share sa kanila?
It's very important talaga to choose your partner. Tapos, once napili mo na yung taong magiging parte ng buhay mo, piliin mo na yun. Piliin mong ma-in-love ka dun. Kasi napipili mo naman yun eh. Piliin mong maging happy dun. Mag-aaway kayo paminsan-minsan. Minsan hindi masyadong maganda ang samahan. Especially, alam mo yan, pag may asawa ka, hindi naman laging bed of roses, hindi ba?
Correct.
It's hard to be married. Pero it can also be wonderful. You just have to choose it. I mean, sure, there's gonna be issues and all that. You can work it out. Kami ng asawa ko, mahilig kaming mag-compromise. You need to do that. Hindi pwedeng ang pinapairal mo kasi lalaki ako. Dapat ako yung ganun. Hindi pwede yan. Pag may asawa ka, hindi laging ganun. At ikaw, bilang babae, bilang asawa, kung ano yung sabihin ng asawa mo at kaya mong ibigay at kaya mong pahintulutan, sige, go. Kasi, ang sarap ng may asawa, di ba? Again, my marriage is not perfect. Wala namang perfect eh. Minsan may mga issue. Pero mas pipiliin ko yung asawa ko kesa sa issue. Sa akin ganun eh. Everything is a choice. Everything is up to us to make our lives better, to make us happy with whatever relationship we have. Choose the right person to be with so that it'll be easier to choose this person every time. I'm so happy na pinili ko yung tamang tao para sa personality ko, para sa akin.